O, noson ffantastig, ware teg, mae rhaid canmol pawb sydd rhan o hwn, mae'r gwaith sy'n mynd mewn I fe yn gwych, a dwi'n gallu dychmygu bod e wedi bod yn logistical nightmare, mae'n ware teg I bawb am yr holl gwaith, tan gwyllt yn wych, yr actio'n wych, y canu'n wych, a da iawn I sian cothi hefyd.
It was really absolutely spectacular. I haven't seen anything quite like this for like a couple of years down here at the Bay. It was out of this world, totally surreal, totally bizarre, and very good, and exactly what I hoped it was going to be like.
It's absolutely brilliant. Yeah, really impressed with how good the storytelling was, how good the light show was. It's really worthwhile.
Beautifully timed. Hearing a bit of kind of the Mabinogion and the Welsh stories, really kind of wanted, kind of made me want to read the Mabinogion.
It was amazing, lovely, yeah, totally beautiful. I really loved the paper, like the paper puppet things, like the light show. I thought that was gorgeous. And I just really liked the choice of the story as well. Because I did the Mabinogion like when I was much younger, and it kind of brought it all back. But it's just a lovely story. I thought it worked really well, and especially having that cauldron at the end and all the ideas and things.
Over the whole night, I'm not joking, I had the hairs on my neck were standing up. I felt like a little kid again. I got quite emotional when the fireworks were going on. And the highlight was when we were stood right by here when the cauldron came past and there were 7-foot guys on stilts, which absolutely blew me away. And please keep doing this, do it every single year, and I'll come every single time.
I'm very proud to watch the performance tonight. It was overwhelming. It's nice to be part of something that means so much to Wales, means so much to the Millennium Centre. Hopefully that'll go down in history.